Hello, welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 5. Today we're going to be talking about a problem-solving strategy called Make a Table. So I just wanted to pull a quick example here that says Jane's new bike can have hand brakes or foot brakes. The bike can be silver, blue, black, or purple. How many possible bikes could there be? Now, these are called combinations, and we're going to talk more about combinations specifically next lesson. But today we're just going to kind of study how do tables work. So, first we need to understand there are two types of brakes, hand or foot. Hand or foot. There are four color choices, silver, blue, black, or purple. I need to find the number of possible bikes. So, if you can see on our table here, and luckily on this one, they will have the table for you. You just need to fill it in. So we could have hand brakes and silver, hand brakes and blue, hand brakes and black, hand brakes and purple. Sorry, I'm writing left-handed, that's why it's a little messy. So notice how we did that. So we just wrote hand/silver, hand/blue, hand/black, hand/purple, and then same for foot. We could have a foot brake that is a silver bike. We could have a foot brake that is blue, a foot brake that is black, a foot brake that is purple. So when it says how many total bikes could that be, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or I could just notice that was multiplication. I have 4 colors, and if I multiply it by the 2 types of brakes, I would get 8 total combinations or 8 total bikes that it could be. So there's a quick example. Let's do some more. All right, let's look at our first problem here. So Selma bought 3 shorts and 2 shirts. Laura bought 3 shorts, and 2 shirts. Laura bought 4 shorts and 2 shirts. How many different shirt and shorts outfits can each girl make? So what facts do we know? So we know Selma, 3 short and 2 shirt. And we also know Laura bought 4 shorts and 2 shirts. So what do I need to find? How many different short and shirt outfits they can each make? So what we're going to do is we're going to organize our information in a table of columns, up and down, and rows, left and right. So if I was going to make a table for each girl, list possible shirt and short outfits. So Selma has 3 shorts, A, B, and C. So she could wear shorts A with shirt 1, A1. Shorts A with shirt 2, A2. She could wear shorts B with shirt 1, B1. Shorts B with shirt 2, B2. Shorts C with shirt 1, C1. Or shorts C with shirt 2, C2. So Selma can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different outfits. Now, if we look at Laura, she has 4 different kinds of shorts and 2 shirts. So she could do A1, A shirt 2, shorts B shirt 1, shorts B shirt 2, shorts C shirt 1, shorts C shirt 2, shorts D shirt 1, shorts D shirt 2. So she could make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outfits with her new clothes. So does your answer make sense? Okay, so does our answer make sense? Yes. Why? The table shows all the possibilities. Right? We took our time, drew out our table, so we know that all the possibilities are done. All right, let's try another one here. So this question says, how many lunches can Malia make if she chooses one main dish and one side dish? So we've got 3 main dishes and 3 side dishes. So what facts do we know? Malia can choose one main dish and one side dish and from the menu. Okay, what do we need to find? The number of lunches. Malia can make. Our plan is going to be make a table. All right, let's do it. Okay, so for our table, over here, I'm going to put, we could do noodles. She could have grilled cheese. And she could have a taco. These are going to be my rows. Okay. For my table. The other, oops, I better put my line here. Boop. Okay. Our other option for the sides are, she could get soup. She could get fruit. Or she could get veggies. Okay, so make sure I have nice. These boxes are called cells. C-E-L-L. Cells. Okay, so first one. She could have noodles / soup. She could have noodles with fruit. She could have noodles with veggies. Okay, so we've got 3 options with noodles. Then she could have grilled cheese with soup. Grilled cheese with fruit. Grilled cheese with veggies. And lastly, she could have taco with soup. Taco with fruit. And then taco with veggies. Okay, so how many total combinations are there? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She can make 9 meals. Now, oh, didn't write meals. Okay, now we need to say, does our answer make sense? So we could say, yes, the table shows, oops, not the tables. We only made 1 table. The table shows 9 lunches. There we go. Okay, here we have to solve the problem by making a table. Claudio will decorate his bedroom. He can choose tan, blue, or gray paint. Notice they're right here on our table. And striped or plaid curtains. And those are right here on our table. How many ways can he decorate his room with different paint and curtains? So notice in parentheses they say tan is T, B is blue, G is gray, S is striped, P is plaid. That means we don't have to write out all the words, which will be very nice. So let's see, we could have stripe tan, stripe blue, stripe gray. So it doesn't really matter. You could have done tan stripe, blue stripe, gray stripe. But just make sure you keep it consistent. So if we're going to start with the wallpaper with the curtains, then we need to always start with the curtains. So that means down here is always going to be P first. P, T, P, B, P, G. So how many different ways can he decorate his room with different paint curtains? He can do it 6 ways. 6 different ways. And this one was on the homework. All right, I've got one more for you. Archie earns $6 each week for doing his chores. He puts all but $2 into a savings account. How much money will Archie save in 2 months if there are 4 weeks in each month? So he earns $6. He puts all except $2 into his savings. So that means $4 is going to savings each week. So month 1, these are all actually going to be $4. $4. Okay, so how much do we have here? Well, I know 2 4s are 8, 8, 8, and 8. 2 8s are 16, and 16 plus 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1, 1, 1 makes 3. So he is going to save $32 in 2 months. All right, that's all I have for you today. So give this lesson a try and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.